Welcome to Petify. Petify has been serving the pet community for more than 5 years through social media, and last year we launched our platform through our website and mobile apps. Petify offers a wide range of services for both the vet and the pet parents, like pet adoption services, blogs, forums, event listing, directory listing, and more features to come soon. We are pleased to announce that we have launched the online pet health record feature on Petify. It will replace your paper prescriptions and pet records registers at your clinic. It offers advanced functionality like managing all details regarding the pets registered with your clinic, like health records including vaccination records, checkup records, visits, and appointments. It can be used by your staff using separate logins for them, and we have a separate section for pet parents as well. You have to click on sign in and log in using a secure username and password. When you log in, you will see your dashboard with all your useful information like pet records, reports, appointments, and staff profiles. You can see various reports by daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Recently added pets who have registered at your clinic. Manage your staff profiles and upcoming appointments. You can search for pets using various keywords like pet ID, name, or any other details in their profile. You can also add new pets using the Add New Pet button. This form captures all the necessary information regarding a pet and their health so that you can view it later. Click on Save Changes when you have added all the required information, and the new pet record will be added to your list of registered pets. All pets that have registered at your clinic will only be visible to you. To view any pet's details, you can either go to the All Pets section or click on the pet's name in the recently added pets section. When you click on the pet's record, the pet's profile opens and you can check all the information regarding the pet, including any recent visits to your clinic, test results, reports, and other hospitalization records. When a pet visits your clinic, you can record all details regarding the visit and enter details like vaccination or prescriptions, and even print the prescription if required on your clinic's letterhead. The same information can be visible to the pet parent using their profile. To add a new visit record, go to Clinic Visit section and click on Add New Visit. Fill the form with the required details, upload any documents if required, and click on Save Changes to add the visit details to the pet's record. The prescription will open on your clinic's letterhead format and is ready to print. Just click on Print if you need to print it and hand over to the pet parent. You can click on Dashboard when you are done to return to the main dashboard. Pet parents can book appointments for your visit at your clinic directly from the online pet health record system using their login details. To view upcoming appointments, click on View All Appointments under the Appointments section to approve, reject, or reschedule appointments based on your availability. We will add more features in future updates. Thank you for your time today and hope you find the Petify online pet health records feature useful.